Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Das Paul and thank you so much for all your likes, comments, shares, subscribe my channel. And if you're a new viewer, go to our channel, watch all the videos, and if you're liking it, then hit the subscribe button. For the ones who want additional services, WhatsApp our customer care 7892652481 or else visit our website smarttrader.co. For the ones who want to open an account in Zerodha or Upstock, you can click the links and open and you will be added to my Telegram channel for lifetime learning and bonding. Okay, so today we will do a quick live trading video with cash and carry with 1 lakh capital. And yes, I have throat pain, so I won't be able to talk much. So that's the reason I couldn't talk much in this particular video. So hope you guys will enjoy the video. So these are the stocks which I'm looking into live trading video. So it just broke its own high. So planning to buy this particular stock 260 261. So I'm using 1 lakh capital, so I'm not using any margin. It's very dangerous. So I can buy around 382, right? You can buy around 380 stocks. I'll keep, sorry, it's not a cover order, I'm sorry. I'm gonna buy CNC order, regular order. Okay, so 380 I'll buy regular. Market price. So I have taken 380 stocks, cash and carry, with whatever cash I have, 1 lakh capital. I'm not going to use margin for 1 lakh capital because it's too dangerous. Even for 50,000 or 1 lakh, using margin is very dangerous. If I was using 10,000, definitely I'll use margin of 10 times or 20 times based on the requirement. But as you know, if I'm using margin, then the beginners who are watching the video also will get greedy and they will also start using the margin. That's the reason I decided not to use margin in front of the videos until my subscribers learn how to make profit in the real money what they have and with less risk. Later it's up to them. Once they learn and pick up after a year, they can do based on their own risk. But I don't want any beginner using margin in the starting and losing all your money faster, because there are a lot of things which you have to learn. So by that time you will lose all your money. So if you're trading with your real money without using margin, you will get a lot of time to learn, a lot of time to, you can stay in market for a long time if you do mistake also. So keeping that in mind, let's go with it. And we bought the stock at 261.49. So 261.95 is the present value. So 261.50 I would say into 0.3 divided by 100. So 80 paisa is minimum 0.3%, but considering this is not this is not a margin order where I'm going to consider 0.3%. In case if the stock will not hit the target for the day, or if it is negative against us, then I will wait for the next day. When you're trading with intraday in cash and carry, I always prefer you to go with buy side, not on the sell side. Okay, so always go in the buy side, keep this in mind. And I can at least wait 0.5% minimum when I'm trading with cash and carry, because I have less risk. I can wait for 1 week, 2 week, 1 month, 1 year also. So not a problem for me. So I will wait for the stock to move further. 261.95 is the high as of now. And so I'll just show you these type of stocks. It's broken its 1 hour candle over here. It's gone up. Based on that momentum, I took the stock. 0.3% is something which many would have observed here. Once it hits 0.3% from the levels we took, let me see how further I can wait on this particular stock. Will it further go up? I'm not able to talk too much because of the throat pain, so I'll pause the video for now and I'll continue in some time. So currently, if you see, the stock has come above 0.5%, that is 500 rupees, and currently moved up to 263.20. Highest is 35. So this is cash and carry for the day. The market is sideways today and yesterday, like before previous session. Therefore, the stocks movements are very slow. I thought I should wait for tomorrow or day after tomorrow for the stock to move up, but end of the minute, the stock is moving. I would rather exit this stock. So it's done. So we bought it at 261.50 and we sold it at 263.10. So it's more than 0.5%. So it's almost 0.6%, 61% of the stock. For 1 lakh rupees we made profit of 600 rupees, in which some 10-15 rupees will go for brokerage only, because we have not used margin. Remember that, okay? So brokerage is always calculated based on 0.01%, not 20 rupees and 40 rupees. That is the higher. Whichever is lower, they will take. Okay, so in this case 20 rupees or 20-30 rupees, let it go for brokerage also, not an issue, and rest will be there. So on the capital I made around 0.6%, so I would say 0.5% after brokerage profit is with me. And yeah, like this, slowly you can do slow profits. 0.5 per day, at least in 20 days, let's say 10 days overall, let's adding plus and minus, we have profit of 0.5 and 10 days you make around 5% in a month. 5% profit in a month is like making 5,000 rupees revenue from your 1 lakh capital. So that's for a year, it's like 60% profit on your capital, returns on your capital. So this is very slow, less risky, and only thing is that if the stock doesn't move to your side any day, for this your accuracy should be good. When your accuracy 1 or 2 day when it goes wrong, you need to wait for second day, it will become delivery, and third day, fourth day, or 1 month or 1 week, you have to wait. You should have that patience to wait. If you cannot wait, then there is no point. If you cannot see, it's not a matter of doing intraday trading and trading every day. It's a matter of you're making profit or not. End of the month or end of the year, your books should look green. That is the main idea. So try to understand that. And yes, we have booked profit, and it came a little bit down if you see. So good, we booked it up at 263.10 for the day. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. I couldn't talk much because I have throat pain, so it's difficult for me to talk much. So anyways, thanks for watching.